Hello, and welcome to the second of two videos on Flag by John Agard. This video focuses on how the author uses language, structure and form in the poem. Again, you will probably want a copy of the poem in front of you to annotate, and you may want to pause the video to help you take notes. So how does the author use language and imagery in the poem? Let's start with the voice. The tone of the poem appears urgent. It's written in the present tense. It also appears rational. And at times, there is a bitter tone. The speaker could be, on the one hand, attracted by the flag's power to bring a nation to its knees, or a pacifist, rejecting the need to bleed for a flag. Read the poem again and think, who is talking? Agard uses a range of important verbs to explore the movement of the flag. Have a look at these words. Do you notice anything about the way they develop? To me, they become more active as the poem progresses, which mimics a flag being raised. And not only do they become more active, they potentially become more aggressive as well. By the time the flag is flying, blood may be being spilled. One of the most important images in the poem is that of the flag itself, which on the one hand is a piece of cloth, but on the other symbolizes something much more. Another key image is the flag's ability to bring a nation to its knees. On the one hand, this could suggest an almost religious devotion. But on the other, it might suggest military aggression. So how does the author use structure and form in the poem? Well, the poem has a simple, regular format. Have a look and you will see this. The regular rhyme scheme helps to reinforce this pattern. Agard only breaks the pattern in the final stanza, and he does this to emphasize it. This poem might appear simplistic and clear on the surface, but it's important that we look for deeper meanings below this, and in this way, the poem almost reflects how a flag itself works. It looks bright and clear on the surface, but it symbolizes something much deeper and much larger than itself.